Well, it's only April, but we're about 6 weeks or so away from hurricane season coming up. So it does look like as we get toward June 1st, you have to kind of get a little more, in tune with hurricane season coming up. And nothing going on in the Gulf of Mexico right now. Things are very quiet out there, but you look out into the Atlantic and we do have a subtropical potential, the Hurricane Center calls it. Basically, it's a little system trying to develop up north of the tropics. It may try to develop into a low, but 30% chance of it developing. No threat to any land. It's way out there, but just wanted to get your mind more in tune with hurricane season coming up here and around June 1st. Begins a little earlier in the Pacific, but we did have some heavy rain over the weekend, kind of tropical feeling rains last couple of days in spots. Some heavier rain over the weekend off to the west made it into parts of the valley yesterday and then last night. So these are some of the rainfall totals since then. Did have some of the heaviest rain in Starr County, about 4 inches in spots. So again, some very heavy rain out there yesterday at times, and even in parts of Hidalgo County, around 2 to a little bit more than 2 inches in spots yesterday. So there were some heavy downpours. Not expecting anything like that tomorrow. If there are showers, we're talking much lighter rains. We're talking maybe a quarter, a half an inch or less in the heavier showers if they pop up tomorrow. And it's going to be a long shot for most areas. So small chance for rain tomorrow. The disturbance which was causing the rain is drifting off to the east and weakening. So when that departs, we're ending up with drier weather coming back for Thursday and Friday. So we're talking about, well, almost no rain the next few days for most areas. By the time we get close to the weekend, you see here we are on Friday. There's a cold front in North Texas. This front starts to move south on Saturday. We have a narrow chance, a little narrow window of opportunity for some showers or maybe a thunderstorm Saturday evening or night when the front passes. But once the front comes through, it's like a cooler breeze from the north on Sunday. That means lower humidity. Temperatures may not get much above 80. So if you like, one last taste of lower humidity and cooler weather, try to get out Sunday and Monday, because after that, the warmer weather starts to come back later next week. But it does look like most areas will be pretty dry coming up after we wind down our rain chances tomorrow. So the first 1570 forecast, about a 20% chance for a shower tomorrow. You could argue maybe around 20% or so on Saturday. Otherwise, mainly dry weather. Highs upper 80s and lower 90s through the start of the weekend. Saturday could be kind of hot, but then look at Sunday's temperatures, around 80 on Sunday, 85 on Monday, and cooler nights could reach into the 50s. Enjoy that. That's your first 1-5 forecast.